Say ye can't nipa bakwa afiwe wafemu ye pa ye can ye beka announce me ya announce. Na there is a breaking news coming through. Maybe this story no at Shemo. Now, breaking news are eba and they say Anas elusu court case. Na utie the judge no ekan ya enyasem ketwa lebo Anas say or you fraudulent and all that. There are a lot of people are raising questions. Can say judge ne judgment awoma no too harsh, just like on a Kennedy Japan no. And so people are raising concerns and some more movies and say is it that Anas expose Ghanaian judges inti ebi mu feel say judges no ehun say this is the time they will also deal with him, and so they are dealing with him in all his cases. And indeed asem no Anas na asem nyede akwa ye issues and crofo raise e social media ye the comment no ebebremo. But let's read the story. As a court rules against Anas in land fraud case, slaps him with 100,000 Ghana cedi fine. Now I say a high court in Accra has fined Anas Arimeyaw Anas 100,000 Ghana cedis for land grabbing. Naturally say Anas you say ordinary to me agents as if in nsem and until court no issue no and I mean issue ne saying court na fine no unti 100,000 for say subai na oye no. I say unlawful trespassing and use of land guards to intimidate the legitimate landowner, one Adolf Tete Ajay, whose ownership Anas disputed as fraudulent. They say Anas use land guards. Edikoji will be assassin by force. Anas mum no nam no workers and nipa chrono or no fraudulent. I say in a case brought before the High Court presided over by Justice Kwame Jemfi Osei over a 2-acre disputed land at Chado, taken over by Anas Arimeyaw Anas in 2017. The court found Anas liable for trespassing and illegally building on someone's land, using police and land guards day and night to brazenly deny plaintiff from use of the land. They say Anas ekoko si ne dan ewo bi asase so. Owie no di police and the land guards ebeto asase ne so. Ewia obekona police wo ho, enyumbre obekona land guards, ewia na police enyumbre land guards. Nti ne bako no ososo beba asase ne so. Ache se wo gi asase ne free ne bako no nsemu a odi AC ono ne dan. That is what the court is saying. In his defense, Anas told the court the said Adolf Tete's claim of ownership of the land was tainted by fraud. It was say Adolf Tete na wo kan say asase ne ye ne de no. Adolf Tete no ono mum ne wo twanto Anas asemo ka che court no. I say the court, after examination of all of the facts, concluded that the law would not permit anyone to allege fraud without proving same beyond reasonable doubt. They say court no decided on facts. Emma court ni wi asemo kan say omo mpene Emma wo bia emfa fraud emba mbeto obi so without proving it. Anas fraud na wo dey ato eye nipa kro adopted teneso no. Anas didn't prove it beyond reasonable doubt. Anas improve it beyond reasonable doubt. That's what the court is saying. Also, one would also not be permitted to win the sympathy of the court by alleging fraud against his adversary without proving same beyond reasonable doubt. The landowner, the said Adolf Tete, said the disputed parcel of land is covered by land title certificate number GA 464555 and dated 26 February 2015, and added a copy of the title certificate and the indenture covering the land to the court. Adolf Tete informed the court his sublessor has also always been in effective possession of the land and had registered it in 2007 under land title certificate number GA 26393. It goes on and on and on with the sublessor. Adolf Tete, Asemo Awo can say, Anas's claim of customary grants of the land to him by a certain Ga family was merely a ploy to deceive the court. That I say, Anas say, encrying a busianphobi, and a dear assassin man. Also, the plaintiff told the court that Anas showed up one day and caused a signpost to be erected on the land with the inscription Tiger Eye Property, keep off, and also employed the services of land guards to purportedly provide security for his unlawful construction works. Ti asem no nipa kra asase ne ye ne don say one day or one say Anas aba be pie asase ne so. Anas be pie asase ne so no. Or the signpost aba be si wa watro Tiger Eye for ejapade. Enti mo obi amba so. Owie ye no na okokofa langa se ba begu asase ne so. Now this is the court ruling. I mean read the court ruling no. So the court ordered Anas Anas to vacate the disputed land and to pay 60,000 Ghana cedis in general damages and 40,000 cedis in legal costs to Adolf Tete, who adduced evidence to prove he acquired the land legally and was about to build when Anas Anas showed up. The court say Anas into 60 cedis for damages. Or we are 40,000, 60,000 cedis, sorry, 600 million old cedis. Or we are 40,000, 400 million old cedis for damages. Okay? Anas intia sa sika we ni for damages. Ati ase untia because Adolf Tete no the evidence by will prove say assassin e no ne dia Anas ntumi amba me prove hwe Anas ba court no asem obeka ne say eye ebusuafo enkran ebusuafo bi na de maame. I say the court said it was perpetually restraining Anas Anas, his servants, agents, assigns, workmen, and all those claiming through him from entering, carrying out any construction works for interfering with all that piece of parcel of land in any manner whatsoever, or disturbing the plaintiff's peaceful occupation and possession of same. Court you no katre Anas, ma Anas, ni ne busuafo, ni ne langards, ni wo bia wo ni ne ye adwuma bia nsi asase ne so. Say you say Anas akwa akosi edan wa asase ne so. You see umfiri ho. Asase ne nya ne dia enti edan ne wa asase ne so no. Se nipa ko no bebu egum a obebu egum so be ne den ma Anas ntu ne nan si asase ne so biom. This is a court order. So onim no okotu ne nan fi asase so e betumi a china tum for contempt. Ma wontu ne nan fi ansi asase ne so biom. Mo ma ne agent ne servant ni no bia wo ye adwuma ma no ne adwuma ne ye ni bia ni ho eni kwan ye otu ne nan si asase ne so enda ya che no. Diagram wadem. And you know, that is that. Now, I am hearing said there was a controversy in court. Let me read that sector, and then if I say what I have to say, and then we go on. What you say? Now, I say, Anas filed a motion to oppose the inclusion of Tiger IPI in the suit, as it was not an owner of the property, but the plaintiff resisted and said Tiger IPI should be in the suit. Okay. Inti omoko court no ena emse ni bako ne yese osu Anas na so osu Tiger IPI aka ho Anas company no the other investigation no ena Anas e ka se dabi court memfa Tiger IPI enka ho na eye me na me ni bako ne nya asem Tiger IPI enka ho. Now I believe say the reason why Anas bako no person the Tiger IPI ka ho ne say because of the sign poster allegedly Anas dey go see ho say Tiger IPI property. Say Tiger IPI property dey me dey on so be ka ho, and so sort of I understand that sector. I say Adolf Tete told the court when Anas sees the land in dispute, Anas calls to be erected a signpost, just like I'm saying, on the land saying property of Tiger IPI. According to Adolf Tete, that is why he added the company to the court case, because the signpost said his land was being claimed by Tiger Eye. The court removed Tiger Eye from the suit, while the second defendant, sued with Anas, failed to enter appearance or show up. The second defendant, Holikwe, is the person Anas claimed to have bought the land from. Inti ne bakra Anas say wato asase ne free ne hono. Ono nso ye frɛ no esu ne se na nkombra court na nso wamba. Ono na Anas wato asase ne free ne ho. Ye frɛ no Holikwe. Also from the evidence, the plaintiff was in possession of the land until the first defendant blazingly entered same and started construction day and night with the help of the police and land guards. The structures he erected on the land is clearly unauthorized. Any prudent purchaser is required to do due diligence before acquisition, but in this case, the first defendant from the evidence did none. Into say Anas, answer no ye beto asase na mano no, na nipa kro na o wa asase ne so no, enkrata court e trese enkrata trese e yese nipa kro na asase. Into na nke Anas e koto asase no, onye due diligence no hu ni se da bi nipa kro a wo ton asase na ma me na enye ne dia. Now so Anas anya due diligence because ebia no gini hu di se wo ya Anas. ɛna ɔde mmirika kɔtɔ asase no nti ɔno ana wakɔ any mistake. This is the whole case against Anas. Send me ma no. A lot of people are speaking and all that, but I don't know. Me name their own so beka. Che why you comment box ni mo. Court court case enaba. Okay, me can't remember. This is one of the reasons in here. Me personally me say hey. Na me person me can asase ho nsem. Asase. Mo dia mo ntre mo adwen. Me da ase.